Now we're going to take a call from my favorite state, Hawaii. Aloha, Randy. What's going on?
Well, how are you? Even people that live in paradise have problems every now and then. For some reason, I kind of know the reason. I don't know how to fix it. We have fruit flies coming out of the garbage grinder, and it is a constant battle, and I can't quite figure out how to get rid of them.
Well, there's a reason for that. Is because when you have a garbage disposal or you have sink drains and recycling containers and things of this nature, they support a yeast growth that the fruit flies are very attracted to. They attract the adults. And so keeping those areas as clean as possible is the best way to avoid that from happening. So you want to make sure that you do clean the garbage disposal, clean those recycling containers, and that's what is really attracting the fruit flies. A good way to try to trap them, though, Randy, is to make a fruit fly trap. Have you ever heard of that?
I've never heard of that.
It's pretty simple. All you need is a jar, a sheet of paper, and either some cider vinegar or a piece of banana peel. You basically use the paper to make a funnel that rests on top of the jar lid, and you put a few ounces of the vinegar or the banana peel in the jar, and they will crawl through that funnel to get at that vinegar or to get at the banana peel, and they won't be able to get out.
Oh, that makes sense.
You could put one of those up on the countertop near there, and maybe they'll just hop, if you're lucky, right from the garbage disposal into the fruit fly trap.
Well, what would you recommend cleaning it with, Tom?
I would clean it with some baking soda. I would do some baking soda and some white vinegar. You spread baking soda in there, and you put some white vinegar in there. Follow that up with some hot water. It will foam up and clean the garbage disposal, and then you put some really hot water in there and turn it on.
That's exactly the answer I was looking for. You guys know everything.
Well, we try.
Mahalo.
I'm hoping the next time that I have a problem, you can personally come out here and show me exactly how to do it.
Leslie would like nothing better.
Thanks, folks. Have a nice day.
All right, you too. Thank you so much for calling us at 1-888-MONEYPIT, 888-666-3974. Yes, it is somewhat heart-rendering to know that even folks that live in paradise have home improvement problems.
Heck, I'll go there myself. You heard the man. Let's go.
All right, 1-888-MONEYPIT. But right now, let's go back to the phones.